Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's topic is Top 6 Home Remedies Backed by Science. Are you looking for a natural solution to your pain? You're in luck. We have got 6 home remedies that have been backed by science. Turmeric for pain and inflammation. Turmeric is an Ayurvedic herb used for centuries to treat various ailments, including inflammation and joint pain. It also helps reduce fever, making it a great addition to any recipe or home remedy you want to achieve maximum effectiveness. Turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory that can help with pain and inflammation in your body. It's a great way to treat muscle soreness, joint aches, and backaches. Chili peppers for pain and soreness. Chili peppers are the next best thing when you're looking to relieve pain and soreness in your body. They're perfect for those who suffer from chronic conditions like arthritis or fibromyalgia. Ginger for pain and nausea. Ginger comes from the Zanzibar officinal plant, which grows abundantly in Southeast Asia, China, and Japan. It has been used as a folk remedy for nausea since ancient times because of its anti-nausea properties. It's also known as nature's aspirin because it can help with the symptoms associated with arthritis by reducing inflammation caused by the joint injury itself, or secondary conditions like pain and swelling, which are often associated with arthritis. Shiitake mushrooms for the long game. Shiitake mushrooms are great for relieving pain and inflammation, including those caused by rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis. They're also known to improve mental clarity, reduce anxiety, and improve sleep quality. Eucalyptus oil for pain relief. Eucalyptus oil has been shown to relieve pain from migraines and other forms of headache with fewer side effects than over-the-counter medications. It can also help with pain caused by arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. Lavender for migraine and anxiety. Lavender oil is a natural anti-inflammatory that can be used as an alternative treatment for migraine headaches or anxiety attacks. It's also been linked to improving sleep quality and reducing stress levels in people who suffer from depression or anxiety disorders such as PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder. I hope this helps you guys. I'll be doing more videos like these, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like, comment and share. See you in the next video.